What does break the ice mean? What does once in a blue moon mean? What does hit the books mean? What does piece of cake mean? What does under the weather mean? What does spill the beans mean? What does the ball is in your court mean? What does bite the bullet mean? What does let the cat out of the bag mean? What does a blessing in disguise mean? What does hit the sack mean? What does bite off more than you can chew mean? What does cut to the chase mean? What does on the same page mean? What does costs an arm and a leg mean? What does hit the nail on the head mean? What does back to the drawing board mean? What does keep your chin up mean? What does throw in the towel mean? What does walk on eggshells mean? Awesome job, English learners! Drop your answers in the comments. Let's see who scores 10 out of 10. And if you want to level up your English even more, watch these two videos right here. Keep learning with Englishova.